So today we're going to do something that I've previously done. I'm going to take you on another play date to Chintys. So let's get going. So this was us on our way, and then we finally arrived. So what I'm going to do is take you on a little quick tour around the shop just to show you there is loads of stuff here to have a look at. So if you're in the local area, I suggest going in and having a wee look. I love these safety glasses that they do for when you're e-filing, and there is hundreds of different things. So just showing you some of them. So there's all different things. Now that wall there is a wall of just pure glitter. It's all beautiful glitter. I call this place the nail factory because I absolutely love it. It's like home. So anyway, this was us on the play day. We're just having a shot of all the different products. We also got something to eat and something to drink. So it's good to meet other nail technicians and we can discuss all different things, like things that they've learnt that we might not know, or things that we've learnt that they might not know. So yeah, it was a great day. So I did come home with these. Hey guys, so these are the things that I got yesterday at Chintys to try. So I'm just gonna, they're just nail art gels. I'm not gonna sit and open them all, but we've got the full collection. So there's yellow, pink, red, blue, purple, gold, orange, black, white, green, silver and brown. So I will open these later on and show you me working with these. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to go and check these out. Now Chintys does post internationally, and I have a little discount code which will be in the description below. So if you want to go and check these out, definitely do so. Now I did have a little play with these yesterday, which I shall just show you some of the things that I done with them. Because I just wanted to have a little play and see what they were like. So this is them here. Please excuse the state of my nails. I've just been doing a run to the recycling centre. So yes, I just painted this on. So once this is cured in the lamp after 30 seconds, that's it ready. You don't have to wipe it off or anything like that because it doesn't have a tacky layer. I also done this one here. Yeah, mostly roses because they're easy, so easy to do. And I done this one. And I think that was, oh no, we've done some swirls as well. So these are definitely really nice to work with. I definitely suggest getting them and trying them. Beautiful colours. So this is the red, I think it was maybe pink that I used, orange and yellow, and the pink as well. So that's those colours there. But what I'll do is I will do another video later on showing you me working with these and what they're like. So guys, definitely go and check these out. As I said, the link will be in the description below, and look forward to the next video. I'm going to show you what I created using these gels and some of the Chintys polishes as well. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.